Welcome to the new video from K1 PAP. I am going to install new paddles today on my 9 Alpha 5 November solid state CW paddle. A beautiful key. These are the original that come with the key. I ordered two special made from Salvatore in Italy, India Kilo 1 Oscar Juliet Mike. You can look him up on QRZ, and they do come with a special engraving of my call sign. I'm not really the one that will engrave the call sign on the paddle, on the key, sorry. But I did like this nice touch on engraving on these paddles here, and I believe they will look pretty cool on this new key. Okay, so I already removed the old ones. I will now go and assemble these. So let's go quickly. Very simple. Just 4 screws, and they fit perfectly because they are custom made for this key. Here we go. Tighten it. So that's one side. And then we'll do the other side as well. We'll take these screws out. Unfortunately, the screws that Salvatore sent me are a little bit too big to go into the 9A 5N paddle. So I have to take the original screws, but they will fit, so that's not an issue at all. Here we go. Just one more screw. There we go. All right, so now we have the paddles. This is how they look after installing. Some nice spacing in between. So let's try it out and see how it works. Here we go. This paddle is a little bit different. You need to turn it on, and then let's try it. This is the first time I'm giving it a shot. All right, I'm still learning, as you can tell. There we go, CQ. Thank you for watching.